We'll guide you through how to make colorful geometric pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch your Adobe Illustrator and begin by choosing File from the top menu bar. Click it to open the drop-down menu. Then select New to create a fresh document. Choose your preferred preset size and click Create so your canvas opens properly. Start the design by making a geometrical shape using the shape tools from the toolbar. For this tutorial, use a combination of the polygon tool and the line tool to build the pattern. Right-click the shape tool icon and choose the polygon tool from the available options. Draw the polygon on your canvas while holding the Shift key so the shape stays symmetrical. Continue resizing the polygon while still holding Shift, then rotate the hexagon 90 degrees for the correct orientation. Next, switch your current tool to the line tool and draw several lines from different angles toward the center of the polygon. Once the lines are complete, select the entire object, open the Pathfinder panel, and click Divide to separate the sections. After that, change your tool to the Direct Selection tool. Select one of the 3 diamond-shaped sections and apply a new color to it. Repeat the process for the remaining 2 diamond sections, changing each one individually so all 3 parts have different colors. Now switch back to the regular selection tool and select the entire object again. Change the stroke color to white and adjust the stroke thickness until the design looks balanced. Duplicate the finished object, rotate the duplicated copy 240 degrees, and place it to the right of the original object. Duplicate the first object once more, position it below the previous 2 objects in the center area, and rotate it 120 degrees. Select all the objects together and group them so the base design becomes one complete unit. Resize and reposition the grouped object as needed. Finally, duplicate the completed design and arrange the copies according to your preferred overall pattern and layout. Make sure the duplicated objects are aligned carefully so the spacing between each design remains even and visually appealing.